So, good morning to you. Let us discuss through that number 3 of one of the assignments that I did send to you, and it was a bag contains 2 red balls and 3 green balls. Remember, I made correction and said should have been 2 red balls and 3 green balls. Said 2 balls are selected at random from a bag, from the bag. 2 balls are selected at random from the bag. They said Roman numeral 1 is the replacement. The Roman numeral 2 without replacement. So they are saying find the probability that the balls selected are of the same color, That the balls selected are of the same color. So this is a number of probability, and the coming section B usually. So this number requires us to use what we call a probability tree diagram. So I'm going to illustrate it here. I hope you will follow keenly and carefully so that we understand what we are supposed to do. So we have a bag. Let me do this. We have a bag. That bag is containing 2 red balls. So I'm going to call them 2R. And it is also containing 3 green balls. So I'm going to call it 3G. Remember, the first one is with replacement. In case when you remove the balls, the next time you pick randomly, you again replace the ball, like you put the balls back into the bag. So that is with replacement. So that one means that in case I pick a red ball, now before I pick again, because they say 2 balls are picked, that means the picking is twice. You pick 2 times. So that means that before I pick for the second time, I again replace the ball such that the sample space is maintained. That's what it means. So I am picking. So now there are 2 possibilities here. I can pick a red ball or a green ball. So in case I was to pick a red ball, I will pick probability of red. So that is when I've picked a red ball. That probability is going to be equal to 2 out of 5 because the sample space is 5. So it will be 2 out of 5. Then, or I can pick a green ball because remember, I'm picking random. I don't know what I'm picking. I just pick into the bag. I can pick either a red ball, and the probability of picking a red ball is 2 out of 5. Or I can pick a green ball, and the probability will be 3 out of 5. So probability of green is 3 out of 5. Now, remember, after picking, I replace again. So that means that the sample space is still the same. So I'm picking for the second time. Now, picking for the second time, I have a bag again. But remember, I have replaced everything in the bag. So that means the content of the bag have now become the same as they were originally. So they still are red, 2 red, because I have replaced the red that I picked. Then remember, I had not picked green, that means 3 green is still there. Now when I pick again, I can pick probability of red. Sorry for that. I can pick probability of red. Sorry for that. That will be 2 out of 5. I can also either pick red or green. Still now, when I pick green, probability of green will be 3 out of 5. See? Now, in case I picked green for the first time, I'm still going to have another bag. Okay? Now, that bag, remember, when I pick green, it means I've not picked red. That means red is the same. Remember, since I replace, green is again going to be 3G or 3 greens. So I'm still having 3G. So when I pick, I can pick either red, which becomes 2 out of 5, or I can pick green, which becomes 3 out of 5. Okay. So the question is saying, find the probability that balls are of the same color. Now look at your probability tree diagram or at your tree diagram and find out what is the combination that is giving the same colors. Now when you look at this one, we have red for the first time. We also have red for the second time. That means these are of the two or of the same colors. So that means that combination is, they want you to pick red and red, or green and green. So from your picking, you should pick red and red, or green and green. You see that? So what does that mean? It means that they want probability of you picking red for the first time and red for the second time, or green for the first time and green for the for the second time. It is red for the first time, red for the second time, or green for the first time and green for the second time. So when you continue, because you want to find the probability, we are saying that the probability that they are requesting or requiring us to get, to obtain, is probability of you either pick red for the first time, and and with probability language means intersection, red for the second time, then plus probability of green for the second time, and means intersection, G for the second time. And that probability is therefore equal to, when you look at when you follow the tree diagram, it will be 2 out of 5 times, again 2 out of 5, then plus 3 out of 5 times 3 out of 5. So this will be 4 out of 25 plus 9 out of 25, and the answer is 13 out of 25. I think that's the answer that you are supposed to obtain.